If you want to transfer data from your old iPhone to iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then you can do this during the initial configuration or the first setup. So once you choose your language and region and then also the appearance, then you will see quickly set up iPhone. And you might be able to find this setup new iPhone menu or window on your previous iPhone. So then you can press continue in order to set it up. In case you don't see this window, make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your old iPhone, and if that still doesn't help, you might need to either reboot your iPhone or you will have to make sure that you are running the latest iOS version on your old iPhone. So once you have it, we can press continue. Let me actually scan my face. And after that, you will see this blue thingy, these waves in the circle. So what you need to do is simply point with your old iPhone at this this thing. There you go. And then once you scan it, then we should be able to wait a short while in order to set it up. So on our old iPhone, we can choose that we want to set it up for us. Now we need to enter the passcode of our old iPhone. And after that, we just need to wait for the next thing to pop up on either of the iPhones. You might see this information that it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, so let's just simply wait for that. You might see this software update information, but of course you can set it later if you don't want to waste time now. And then over here we can press continue when we see data and privacy. You can also scan your Face ID if you want to, or add the Face ID. So if you want to do that, then of course press continue and then just finish the instructions, or you can choose to set it up later. In my case, I'm just gonna skip that. Now you should be able to press the agree button for terms and conditions. Then we have the summary of everything that will be set up. So in this case, we are moving all apps and the data, as well as settings. You can of course choose to customize if you want to, but in our case, we're just gonna press continue. And then we can also enable location services if you want to. In my case, I'm gonna set it up later, and then I'm gonna confirm that I want to turn it off. In the meantime, you might see this information on your old iPhone that we can enjoy our new iPhone. So in this case, we can press done and we will not need our old iPhone anymore. Whereas on our new iPhone, of course, we can still continue. Over here we have iPhone Analytics, so we can press don't share. And then we have Apple Intelligence, which you can set up, of course, if you want to. And we can manage summarization of notifications. We have the priority of notifications as well. We have some information about the camera control. We can use visual intelligence with the camera control button. Let's press continue. Then we have the action button that we can customize immediately, or we can press not now. If you don't want to do that right now, you can still do that in settings, of course. So let's skip that. We have emergency SOS information, so we can press continue. And we have the software update again, so let's just do that in our case. And then we have the account that we want to use in order to restore the backup. So you can choose, of course, the one that you use or used on your previous iPhone. And then wait for the backup to be restored from iCloud. And there we go. Now you should be able to unlock your iPhone and just go to the home screen with everything that you had on your previous iPhone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.